In this video we will learn how to set machines as active and inactive. We will click on View, hover over Settings. We will hover over TB Display Settings. We will click on Machine Setup. We will see a drop-down list of all of the machines that are currently in the system. And you see the ones that are active have the word active at the end and the word inactive have the word inactive at the end. All we're wanting to do in this step is to inactivate the machines that aren't at your facility in this pre-configured. Configuration of machines. So if you do not have an Arbor press in your facility, you would click on Arbor press. View and edit, you'll select inactive. And then save the machine. You'll notice the background changes to red, giving you a visual indicator that this is an inactive machine. Now we'll go back and look at the other machines, and we'll continue to repeat this procedure until the only machines that are active are representative of what we have physically in our location or in our facility. So if you do not have sandblast, we would edit this machine, set it to inactive, save the machine, and just continue this procedure until this list represents your facility.